Factorization by regrouping terms. The terms in an expression are grouped in such a way that we can find a common factor in each group. When we do in this manner, we can find a common factor between the groups which leads to the factorization of the given expression. This method of finding the factors for the given expression is called regrouping. Consider the expression 5xy plus 5y plus 7x plus 7. Note that first two terms has common factors as 5 and y. Last two terms have common factor 7, but there is no single factor common to all the terms. 5xy plus 5y is equal to 5 into x into y plus 5 into y is equal to 5y into x plus 5y into 1 is equal to 5y into x plus 1. 7x plus 7 is equal to 7 into x plus 7 into 1 is equal to 7 into x plus 1. The expression 5xy plus 5y plus 7x plus 7 is now in the form of product of factors. Its factors are 5y plus 7 and x plus 1. These factors are irreducible. The same expression is considered, but we are going to group the terms in the other way. Suppose we regroup as 5xy plus 7x plus 5y plus 7 is equal to x into 5y plus 7 plus 1 into 5y plus 7 is equal to x plus 1 into 5y plus 7. Here we find that the factors are the same but in different order. In an expression, if we cannot find a common factor between the terms, then we can use the method of regrouping.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.